Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. Just doing some yard work. How about you?
Same here. I've been trying to get my garden ready for spring. By the way, have you met our new neighbors yet?
No, I haven't. I've seen them moving in, but I haven't had a chance to introduce myself yet.
They seem nice. I talked to them briefly the other day and they're from out of town.
That's cool. I'll have to make an effort to introduce myself soon.
Definitely. It's always good to have friendly neighbors.
Absolutely. Speaking of which, have you noticed that the neighborhood has been getting a lot more crowded lately?
I have, actually. There have been a lot of new construction projects and people moving in.
It's a bit overwhelming, to be honest. I feel like I don't even recognize the neighborhood anymore.
I know what you mean. But on the other hand, it's also nice to see the community growing and thriving.
That's true. I just hope that the new developments don't ruin the character of the neighborhood.
Me too. But I think as long as we all work together and communicate with each other, we can maintain the sense of community that we love about this place.
Definitely. Speaking of community, have you heard about the new Neighborhood Watch program?
No, I haven't. What is it?
It's a program where neighbors work together to keep an eye out for suspicious activity and help keep the community safe.
That sounds like a great idea. I'll have to look into it.
Definitely. It's a great way to get involved and make a difference in the community.
So, have you been doing anything fun lately?
I went to a concert last weekend and it was amazing. The band was incredible and the energy of the crowd was electric.
That sounds awesome. I love going to concerts.
Me too. There's something about live music that just can't be beat.
Definitely. Have you been listening to any good music lately?
I've been really into this new indie rock band that I discovered on Spotify. They have a really unique sound and their lyrics are really thought-provoking.
That sounds interesting. I'll have to check them out.
Definitely. You should give them a listen.
So, have you been watching any good movies or TV shows lately?
I recently started watching this new documentary series on Netflix about climate change. It's really eye-opening and informative.
That sounds interesting. I'll have to check it out.
You should. It's a great way to learn more about the environment and what we can do to protect it.
Definitely. Speaking of which, have you heard about the new environmental initiative that the city is implementing?
No, I haven't. What is it?
It's a program where the city is encouraging residents to reduce their carbon footprint by using public transportation, biking, or walking instead of driving.
That's a great idea. I'll have to look into it.
Definitely. It's a great way to make a positive impact on the environment and improve the quality of life in the city.
Absolutely. Well, I should get back to my yard work. It was good talking to you.
It was good talking to you too. Take care.
You too. See you later. Ethan. Fancy seeing you here. I didn't know you were into contemporary art.
Ava. Yeah, I thought I'd give it a shot. I've been trying to broaden my horizons lately. How about you?
Oh, you know me, always exploring the art scene. It's a great way to find inspiration for my own work.
Your paintings have always been amazing. Any new projects in the pipeline?
Thanks, Ethan. I'm actually working on a series inspired by urban landscapes, trying to capture the energy of the city.
Sounds intriguing. Can't wait to see it. By the way, have you checked out the photography exhibit on the second floor?
Not yet. Is it worth a visit?
Absolutely. There's something about the way the photographer captures everyday moments that just draws you in.
You were right, Ethan. These photos are incredible. The way the artist captures the play of light and shadow is mesmerizing.
It's all about finding beauty in the ordinary, isn't it? Speaking of which, have you considered collaborating with other artists for your next project?
That's a fantastic idea. Maybe I could incorporate elements from different mediums into my paintings.
Exactly. A fusion of painting and photography could create something truly unique. By the way, how's your job at the design firm going?
It's challenging but rewarding. The creative environment pushes me to think outside the box. And you? Still pursuing that novel you talked about?
Slowly but surely. Writing takes time, and I want it to be just right. I find inspiration in the most unexpected places.
That's the beauty of art, isn't it? It's everywhere, waiting to be discovered. So, any plans for the weekend?
I was thinking of attending a poetry reading downtown. Want to join?
Absolutely. A weekend filled with art and creativity sounds perfect. And maybe afterward, we can grab a cup of coffee and brainstorm some ideas for our respective projects.
Sounds like a plan. It's always inspiring to bounce ideas off someone with a different perspective.
Agreed. Here's to art, aspirations, and the endless possibilities they bring.